Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to add your Rust server to the Community tab whilst using the Oxide modding framework. By setting your server's framework to Oxide, it will automatically appear in the modded list. This is because Oxide allows you to install plugins, and servers that use plugins are required to be in the modded list. On the other hand, the Community tab has very strict guidelines about which plugins are allowed and which not. If you don't follow these guidelines, your server could be blacklisted or removed. But don't worry, we will include a link to the official rules in the description below. To start off, log into your game panel, select the server you want to work on, and head over to the Startup tab. If you've just created your server, the framework will usually be set to vanilla. This means your server will appear in the community list, but you won't be able to use any plugins. To enable plugins, click on the framework drop-down menu and select Oxide. Next, go to the console tab and click restart or start if the server is stopped, and wait until your server has fully booted up. Once your server is running, open the Files tab and look for the Oxide folder. Inside you will find the Oxide config file. Open the file, and on the second line you'll see that modded is set to true. Simply change that value to false. When you're done, click on Save Content at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. And then head back over to your console tab and restart your server once more. Once your server has fully booted up, now it will be in the community list. So let's go over to Rust and confirm that it is actually there. When looking for your server, make sure to always have SOEmpty enabled. Now if we go over here and type in support, you will actually see that the server is listed in the community tab and you can connect to it like so. And that's it. If you need any further assistance, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help.